In the world of HR, ensuring the safety and well-being of your employees is at the core of your responsibilities. So today we're going to explore the critical roles of HR and ensuring first aid preparedness in the workplace. As an HR professional, you're not just managing your resources, you're safeguarding lives. Let's delve into how HR's role is pivotal in creating a safe and prepared workplace. So things to consider include coordinating the managing first aid training programs, creating and implementing safety policies and procedures, ensuring compliance with safety regulations, maintaining first aid equipment and supplies, and fostering a safety-conscious culture. So HR's role in first aid preparedness is not just about policies, it's about creating a workplace where safety is a shared value. It's about being the driving force behind the safety of culture. HR's role in ensuring first aid preparedness is not just a function, it's a commitment to the well-being of your workforce. Because in your HR role, safety is the foundation of a successful and a thriving workplace.